Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a problem with your location on your iPhone after the update of iOS, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, then tap reset. Here we have to tap on reset location and privacy and put iPhone passcode and tap again reset setting to confirm. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then do the following step as well. We have to go back to general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Next, we have to tap on settings, then tap general and tap transfer reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Next, go back to settings, tap on privacy and tap on location services. Now turn on and turn off location services 2 or 3 times. Then force close the setting app, use the assistive touch device 3 dot and tap restart to confirm. After restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.